Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the First Lady, Mama Rachel Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Your Excellency, Mama Pastor Dorothy, Dorcas, service commanders, allow me to ride on established protocols in the interest of time. Your Excellency, before I make my remarks, allow me to recognize a few of our leaders who are here. I will start with my colleagues, governors. Please let us be upstanding. Governors who are here, Governor Otichilo from Vihiga, Governor Paul Otuoma from Busia, Governor George Natembeya from Trans Nzoia, Governor Barasa from Kakamega, Governor Wesley Rotich from Elgeyo Marakwet, Governor B from Uasin Gishu, Governor Kangata from Murang'a, I saw him around the other side. Thank you so much. Governor Simba Arati from Kisii, thank you, karibu sana. Your Excellency, allow me also to recognize former governors. We have Governor Mike Songo from Nairobi. We have Governor Ojamong, former Governor Busia. I saw Governor Wycliffe Wangamati, former Governor Bungoma. Your Excellency, allow me then to recognize our senators who are here, led by Senator Boni Khalwale, who is the whip. Please be upstanding for recognition, our senators and Deputy Speaker. Senator Wakoli, Senator Cherarigei, Leader of Majority, Senator Cheriot, of course, Khalwale. Allow me also to recognize Deputy Governors who are here. Senator kutoka Laikipia, Senator Kinyua, Senator Mandago, Senator Onyonga, Senator Trans Nzoia, karibuni sana. Deputy Governors, Pastor Mbatiani from Bungoma and Deputy Governor from Trans Nzoia. Your Excellency, allow me then to recognize members of Parliament who are here. I'll ask all of them to be upstanding, but I'll recognize those from Bungoma because they are hosts. We have Senator Wafula Wakoli from the Senate. We have Honorable Catherine Wambilianga, Woman Rep. We have Didmas Barasa, MP Kimilili. We have Freddy Kapondi, MP Mount Elgon. We have John Chikati, Tongareni constituency. We have Pepela Wanyonyi from Webuye East. We have John Makali, our host, MP Kandui. We have Jack Wamboka, MP Bumula. We have John Waluke, MP Sirisia. We have Dan Wanyama, MP Webuye West, and Majimbo Kalasinga, MP Kabuchai. And of course, the Leader of Majority, Ichungwa, leading other members of Parliament who are here. Your Excellency, allow me to ask the members of County Assembly who are here to be upstanding, led by Bungoma Speaker, Speaker Situma. Please be upstanding, members of County Assembly from Bungoma. They are there, Your Excellency, there are 64. Karibuni sana. Let me also introduce the county, members of the executive government of Bungoma be upstanding, and all staff who are working here. Your Excellency, I'm also accompanied by my wife. Let me also recognize her. Otherwise, maneno inaweza kuharibika. Your Excellency, today is a great day for the people of Bungoma. May I take this opportunity to warmly welcome you, the whole country, and indeed the world, to our county. I want to thank you most sincerely for choosing us to host this year's Madaraka Day. I wish to share with you the warm greetings from all the people of Bungoma County, those gathered here today, those building our county and our country from various places, and those in the diaspora whom I know are following this occasion with joy. Today, we remember and celebrate the wisdom and the courage of our founding fathers who faced serious adversity to gain our independence and create a nation called Kenya. This very stadium that is hosting the auspicious 61st Madaraka Day is named after one of the greatest sons of our time, the late Honorable Masinde Muliro, a true champion of the second liberation. We celebrate these fallen heroes even as we remain cognizant of the fact that despite divergent backgrounds and varying viewpoints, they fought for the same cause. We are here because of your benevolence, Your Excellency. We could not, as a county government, have achieved this and to this standard of the stadium even if we saved for the next 20 years. Your Excellency, devolution is at the heart of the new constitution and a key vehicle for addressing historical disparities which have long led to conflicts. Our system of devolution combines a measure of autonomy and interdependence, leading to a cooperative system between the two levels of government. This requires that both embrace a system of consultation, negotiation, and consensus building in the run-up of state affairs. Mr. President, on behalf of the devolved units, I want to thank you and commend you for your continued support for devolution and especially devolving these national celebrations to counties, for this strengthens your presidential resolve to support counties and the devolution agenda in your national endeavors. It is therefore a great honor for us as counties and as the people of Bungoma that you have chosen to share this national celebration with us. It would be remiss of me not to pass the gratitude of the people of Bungoma. Mr. President, all the major roads in Bungoma town and its environments are well lit, hence promoting a 24-hour economy in our town. Our airstrip at Matulo can now safely land a 35-seater plane, but it's our wish and focus that in the future it be upgraded to an international airport. And Your Excellency, when it's at that level, we want to propose on behalf of the people of Bungoma that it be named after you. Our Masinde Muliro Stadium is in the process of being completed to perfection with a seating capacity of 20,000 people, with all roads around it well paved, and we now have an official state lodge to Nasema Asante Sana. Your Excellency, the current weather pattern in Kenya is worrying. We must begin to think of timely interventions that will address the challenges of crop failure in order to ensure our people have options. As the chair of the Agriculture Committee, I look forward to the support and partnership of your government in this endeavor to accelerate this development. Before I wind up, Your Excellency, if this rotation continues, for people to appreciate what is happening today, the next national celebration to be held in Bungoma will be in 2071, after it has gone round all the other counties. So this is historic for us, and that is how serious it is that we are making history. So you can take your years, add 47 years, and know how old you will be when this will be held here next. Your Excellency, I now leave you with the words of Marco Rubi, who said leadership cannot be measured in a poll or even in the result of an election alone. It can only be truly seen with the benefit of time from the perspective of 20 years, not 20 days. Everything that you have done, people of Bungoma will live forever in our hearts. Thank you, Your Excellency, sir. Your Excellency, you know, addressing a magnitude of this, a crowd of this magnitude, you can get changanyiko kidogo. It is now my singular honor and duty to invite the Deputy President to come and make remarks and invite you. Thank you, Your Excellency, sir.